Hi, David, they call me MacGyver. Today I'd like to show you how to fix a hose that either springs a leak or gets cut. Rather than throwing it away, you can do it for as little as actually under $2. I'll put some links in the description where you can actually get the same thing at Amazon, but they will be a little bit more expensive. Or you can go to Home Depot and get the metal splice kits, or you can go to Harbor Freight and you can get the plastic ones. The plastic, I think they're like $1.79 at Harbor Freight. I think Ace Hardware also sells them for like $1.79. So if you don't have a real rugged area that you're using them in, like the repair I'm going to do is actually in a horse barn, and I don't want a horse to step on it and break it. So I got a metal one from Home Depot, and again, I will put links on in the description down below the video. So if you want to just order it directly from Amazon, you can do that. Thanks a lot, and hang tight, we'll get started.
So here's the hose, and it's got a little piece of pink fabric tied around it. When it started leaking, they tied it around there so it wouldn't be I'd be able to locate it easy. I'm just going to cut that off there. Be careful you don't cut towards yourself with a razor knife. Okay, then oh, there's the hole right there. So I'm just going to cut this hose right down the center of that hole. This is a industrial hose. It's a lot heavier duty, so it takes a little bit more to cut it. And then this is the metal kit that I got from Home Depot. I just cut the peg off the end, and it lets everything slide off then. Clean off the dirt a little bit, and then I'm going to push the brass bushing in, or the brass sleeve. Push them both together, and then take my drill and just unscrew those. And if you'll keep the screws on the top and just put the other piece underneath the bottom, then you can push it down against the ground to screw them back in. And the idea of this is to kind of screw them evenly so that the clamp is fairly even. And this happens to be a 3/4 inch 5/8 clamp. So, or no, this was the 1/2 inch 3/4, or 1/2 inch 5/8. Some of them are 1/2 inch 5/8, and some are 5/8 3/4. This happens to be a 5/8 heavy duty hose. So now we're going to do the other side. Again, screws are on top. We're going to try to get up, not quite even. See, that's a little bigger gap than that is, so I'm going to loosen that up. Walk it back down so that it's closer to being even on there. Okay. I'm going to go turn the hose on, make sure it doesn't leak. I don't know if you saw that. The hose moved a little bit when I turned it on, but it's good. All right.
Well, I'd like to thank you for watching. And you notice that I just did a splice on a hose, but they also make the male and female ends that you can repair. So if you have one that gets mashed or cracked or leaking or something, you can actually get the male and female ends, and they're respectively about the same price. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click the bell icon, and then every time I come out with a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.